So right now what we're doing is we're replacing wire on this exhaust fan. Yesterday we found that it wasn't running, and after doing some testing we discovered that the fuse in the MCC disconnect on line 1 was blown. We went ahead and replaced the fuse yesterday. The fan started up, we checked the amperage, everything looked good. When we came in this morning, the fuse on line 1 and line 2 were blown again. So after doing a little bit more investigating, we found that there's some insulation on this wire right here that's rubbed off, which would explain why it's an intermittent ground.
Looks like somebody reran the orange at one point.
That's what we're looking at right there. So right there, it was rubbing against that quick connect fitting. Look at that. That right there is what we're...
Insulation cut in the orange one a little bit.
That was causing our issue right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and rerun all 3 phases through that connector. That's bad.
Yellow's solid, which makes sense as to why this one didn't.
Yellow, yeah, I mean yellow's...
It was on 03. I did see a slice in orange a little bit. So that could have been why 2 went out.
That would make sense. Yeah, you can see right here. We're gonna have to replace this one.
Yeah.
Because it's in arc, so the insulation's compromised. Like even though we could probably put this back on and run fine, you don't want to take the risk.
Yeah.
How's the orange look? Not great.
Right there. Pink, straight to metal. You see the metal in it?
Yep.
So when they arced out together, it hit that one too.
That would explain why line 1 and line 2 blew.
Yeah.
So what we're doing right now, we're gonna go ahead and replace this disconnect. We're gonna replace this flex, and we're gonna run new wire through the flex, through the disconnect, and into the motor starter right here. We're trying to remove this box, but it's been on here for so long that calcium buildup behind it, and it's also bolted from the back. So that's what we're working on now. drill attachments?
Oh yeah, those things are sick.
They're on Temu.
Yeah.
I was thinking about buying one. They also make ones that strip the wire for you.
Yeah, I saw those. Sick. Looks like so much easier.